Top 5 Best Sounding Muffler for 5.3 Silverado. Flowmaster 953,047 3-in, C, out, O, Super 40 Series Muffler in just $114.26. The Flowmaster 953,047 Super 40 Series Muffler gives you the perfect combination of performance and sound. It has a deep aggressive to moderate exhaust note and moderate interior resonance. It is designed for high horsepower vehicles and uses race-proven patented Delta Flow technology. It's the perfect choice for anyone who wants a balance of performance and value, with a price tag of only $114.26. Dynamax Ultra Flow 17233 Exhaust Muffler in just $148.99. Dynamax Ultra Flow 17233 Exhaust Muffler is a perfect solution for premium acoustic control. It uses exclusive continuous roving fiberglass (CRF) technology to absorb unwanted interior resonance while maintaining a deep performance tone. With a straight-through design, it offers superior performance with unrestricted exhaust flow and reduced back pressure, proven by dyno to flow up to 2,200 SCFM. It is made of stainless steel with a micro finish for lifelong protection and 100% welded design for maximum durability. This muffler is customizable design available in a variety of styles and sizes for universal fitment and is offered in a variety of body diameters and 2-in to 4-in inlet-outlet configurations. To get the most out of this muffler, use premium Dynamax accessories during installation for a complete exhaust system upgrade. Get yours today for only $148.99. Dynamax Ultra Flow 17220 Exhaust Muffler in just $65.78. The Dynamax Ultra Flow 17220 Exhaust Muffler is the perfect solution for your exhaust system needs. Featuring premium acoustic control with continuous roving fiberglass technology for reduced interior resonance, it provides superior performance with a straight-through design for unrestricted exhaust flow. Made of stainless steel with a micro finish for lifelong protection, this muffler is engineered to last and is offered in a variety of styles and sizes for universal fitment. Available in a variety of body diameters, with 2-in to 4-in inlet-outlet configurations and additional Dynamax accessories for a performance upgrade. This purchase is worth every dollar at just $65.78. Carvin Exhaust R-Series Performance Muffler 3 inches in just $97.99. The Carvin Exhaust R-Series Performance Muffler 3 inches is the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. This muffler features a 3 inches inlet and outlet diameter and delivers an aggressive tone, while the perforated diffuser baffle and low-pressure sound cancellation add an extra layer of performance. With a price tag of just $97.99, this muffler will be the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. Enjoy the aggressive sound as you cruise around town. Borla 40359 Muffler in just $102.59. Introducing the Borla 40359 Muffler for an unbeatable price of just $102.59. This muffler features a metallic color value and is proudly made in the United States. The package dimensions for this product are 6.0 h by 21.0 l by 11.0 w in inches, and has a package weight of 10.0 pounds. Guaranteed to bring a great sound to your vehicle, the Borla 40359 Muffler is a great buy.